So we're putting on the Tyvek, and it's gone up in price pretty good bit. It's like $220 a roll, but there literally is no substitute for Tyvek. And then starting to sprinkle, but we're gonna get most of it covered up. I forgot what that other brand was of, you can look at Home Depot and see what brands there are there of house wrap. The other one was like $60. I don't really advise anybody to cheap out when it comes to the house wrap. I mean, DuPont was the original inventor of Tyvek, or house wrap in general, so anyway, no preaching, but that's my 2 cents after 45 years of being in the business. Well, we got the most exposed wall done. You can see by my glasses it's starting to rain. So they're still working under the overhang over there. So won't be long now though before we have to call it for this 4-day. I'm gonna call it 3.5 days, because they were pretty much all we had to do today was finish drying in the roof, the synthetic felt, and then the Tyvek, and then some OSB on the end over there. So it's probably a normal day for them. It would have been about a half a day. So I'm happy. I challenged Paco, see if he could cut this tree down. Because it's going right over my little power line. So not only is he the best framer in the world, he's the best fixer-upper. That tree looks bigger now that we're messing with it. It's not big, it's just really tall. Be careful, Paco. I'm gonna say you might want to cut it more that way, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Easy for me, I'm the cameraman. Alright, let's get it. Oh! Ah! It's hung up. Tragedy averted. Power line's gonna be safe this winter. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Paco. Gracias.